Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix the image with the noise using CapCut app. So I'm going to open my project. So I already have one picture here. Just say this picture with noise. So how to fix the noise in the picture? Just select the adjust and select video quality, and you can find the reduce image noise. Just click on it. As you can see, this is Pro Effect, so you have to join Pro first to be able to use these effects. Okay, so just click on it and you can adjust for the quality, the weak, strong, and after down just click check mark, and you can see for the final result. Yeah, so you can try this. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.